Hi everyone. Just a little update. I got a notification on my phone that the flocking material should be in for this floor for our 57 Cadillac build. And just kind of wanted to showcase some other stuff that I was kind of working on before I started this channel. I got quite a few kits here. I was working on a P40B Tiger Shark. It's a Revell kit, or Revel, however you pronounce it. Had to do some putty in because there was quite a bit of gaps, but I need to sand this down, and really like how my little pilot guy turned out. And pan off to the left a little bit, you'll see that I have quite a few kits here. We got a 57 Chevy, we got the Supernatural Impala. We got Christine, which is going to be a cool diorama. I'd actually like to get a second kit of the Christine model and do like when it's pristine, and then when it was kind of beat up during the movie. You see the tail end of my SIG quarter scale Piper J3 Cub there. Got a 57 Corvette. I'm really into the 57 model years, but no, we got airplanes, we got armor, we got ships, and we got the Memphis Belle B-17F Flying Fortress kit from Revell, which I built as a kid. And I wish I still had that model. Not sure what happened to it, but up here we got a B-29. It's a 1/44 scale, which I'm building into a diorama, which is going to be the Keybird. I don't know if anybody's ever watched the History Channel Frozen in Time documentary, but I'm going to do a diorama of the Keybird before, kind of when they were getting ready to start their takeoff to fly it off of the Glacier, I believe it was. We got my M3 Lee, which was, well, got a finger in there. M3 Lee, I bought this off eBay, and I didn't realize it. I thought it was a kit that needed to be made, but it was pretty much halfway finished. But it was missing some parts, so the top turret ended up getting a toothpick as a barrel, which I thought it was kind of creative. All these are going to be in a diorama. I got a, I believe is it a artillery kit, I think, of the Reichstag. And I'm doing a Battle of Berlin diorama upstairs, and I'll show you guys. I got the Reichstag actually built, but it's not primed and painted yet. But I got a few tank kits for that. That's the box for this Super Fortress right here. But I also have ships like the Arizona. There's another finger, sorry. Just a couple things I wanted to show that I'm going to be doing. Got a lot of paint. And I like to draw sometimes. There's Saki, lead character of my Monsaki's creations. But gonna be making a lot of models here, hopefully. And I'm gonna pan over, excuse my mess, but we have the Titanic and the USS Iowa. We got some more planes there that I haven't even taken out of the box yet. Here's my airbrush compressor that I need to get going. And some modeling clay and whatnot. But I also like to build the Gwillows kits. And as a kid, I used to call them Gillows. I always thought it was Gillows, but I guess it's actually pronounced Gwillows. But I'm going to be making movable control surfaces for all these planes. They're really small, and It's hard to get. You can buy the electronics to make them flyable. I've seen it. Panther 9, I believe's YouTube channel. He has made so many and they fly great. But yeah, if you wanted to spend the money on the micro equipment to make them fly, but they're so small and you got to try to build them as light as possible to make them actually fly good. But I've seen it done on YouTube, so kind of motivated me to build more of these. I used to build these as a kid. But I got this Cessna 150, which my dad actually built one of these for us, and it used to hang off of our ceiling when I was a child. And that's kind of why I bought this one. I thought it'd be cool to build the same thing, and I want to paint it up kind of like the way he made it. He had a Cox .049 engine on it, which was a glow engine. And I decided to try to fly it one day. It was a free flight model, and I crashed it and broke it into many, many pieces. And so as a kind of a commemorative, I want to build one kind of just like it, and it's just going to hang on my ceiling probably. But I also got a Focke-Wulf 190 and a P40. And this one here is, I got way too big of servos on it, but that's a J3 Piper Cub. And then I also have the B25, which I've been working on. I actually want to put, all these models are going to have movable control surfaces. And I'm actually trying to make retracts for this one. Probably never fly any of them. There's a tail of my SIG J3 Cub. This Corvette Stingray is a box from, I think I built this kit when I was probably 13 years old. And I'm way, way older than that now. Anyways, I got lots of Guillo's kits, as you can see here. Some diorama stuff. I got the B-24 Liberator. I actually have the B-29. Scored that off of eBay for a decent price, and then I got a B-17, and just a lot of models that I want to do here on the channel. So we are not going to be starving for content by any means as far as model building goes. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great night, and we will see you next time.